Hi, in this lesson, we're gonna fix, the logo in the footer, and we're gonna create a file for the header and a file for the footer. It will be a separate file for header and a separate file for the footer. Okay, let's go. Let's inspect so to see where it's located. Inspect element. Let's see again. Okay, this is here. Okay. Um, okay, as you can see, logo that SVG. Okay, let's get back to um, our code editor. Boom. And in the footer, okay, here we are. PHP, lowercase, PHP. Okay, echo, get template, directory UI. Okay, concatenate, backslash, assets, and slash. You could leave it like this, or you can cut this and put it there, and that's it. And we're gonna test again. Back to our site to see if the problem was fixed, and here we are. Okay, so everything is okay. Now we're gonna create a separate file for header and footer. After fixing the logo in the footer, we're gonna head back to our code editor, and we are going to create, two files. One, header.php. Okay, and we're gonna cut, I mean, let's see, until the nav. So we're gonna, the navigation. Okay, so we're gonna cut all of these. Boom. When we cut, we're gonna replace open PHP deck, and we're gonna call get header. Okay, and here in the header file, paste, okay, the header. So it's simple as it is. So no secret. And the second file, we're gonna create the footer, the PHP. Okay, and head back in index in the footer, and as you can see, so as you can see, the footer begins here. So we're gonna cut all of these until the end, get all of these, and open PHP tag. Okay, and we're gonna call get footer. Okay, and in the footer template, paste all of these. And now we're gonna check our front end, the appearance of the site, to see if everything's still okay. Let's make a test. Okay, close that. We're gonna reload to see if everything's still working. Boom, everything works perfectly. Okay, everything works. So in the next lesson, we're gonna start coding the back end, and we're gonna start with the header menu and install the ACF plugin pool. So thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.